In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Shopify store quickly. We're going to focus on the fastest free methods you can use right inside your Shopify admin. By the end, you'll know how to duplicate your theme design and copy your products over to another store using a CSV file without relying on paid apps. Let's start with duplicating your theme, because that's the quickest part. In your Shopify admin, look at the left-hand panel and click on Online Store. This will take you to your themes page, where you'll see your current live theme at the top. On that current theme, look for the 3 horizontal dots, usually on the right side of the theme card. Click those dots to open a drop-down menu. From that menu, select Duplicate. Shopify will now create a copy of your current theme. This doesn't change your live store yet. It simply adds a new version to your theme library. Scroll down to your theme list and you'll see the new copy, usually named something like copy of, followed by the original theme name. You can click on it to customize further, or if you're ready to use this duplicate as your live theme, click Publish. Confirm the action and your duplicated theme will go live. This method copies your design, sections, and any custom code you've added to the theme. It does not copy your products, pages, or store-wide settings. So visually, your store will look the same, but you'll still need to move your catalog if you're setting up a second store. Now let's duplicate your products using a CSV file, which is fast and accurate. Go back to your Shopify admin and click on Products in the left-hand panel. At the top of the Products page, you'll see an Export button. Click Export. A pop-up will appear asking what you'd like to export. Choose All Products so you get your full catalog. Then select whether you want to export as a CSV for Excel, Numbers, or another spreadsheet program, or as a plain CSV. Either option works for importing into another Shopify store. Once you've made your selection, click Export Products. Shopify will generate the file and either download it or send it to your email, depending on your store settings. If you have another Shopify store, log into that new store's admin, go to Products, and use the import option to upload the CSV file you just exported. This will copy over your products, their variants, prices, SKUs, and image links. Keep in mind, this process does not copy orders, customers, or apps. Those need to be handled separately. But with your theme duplicated and products imported, you'll have the core of your store quickly recreated in your new Shopify setup.